Hey everyone, welcome to another video. Today I want to share with you a cool service that I came across called Amazon Prime. When I was hunting for one of the videos to watch for the Oscar 2019 challenge, if you're interested in that, check out my previous video. I stumbled upon the service called Amazon Prime, and in there the free trial gives you quite a few cool things. And you can roll over to a monthly payment, of course, which is actually quite cheap considering what it offers. And in the Amazon Prime space, you get to watch videos, you get free music, free ebooks, I think some gaming stuff, and some really cool stuff to do with postage. In Australia, our postage is quite expensive, and I managed to get completely free postage on 3 items. I don't know if that's a permanent feature of the subscription or what it is. I have to look further into it, but it came within under 20. I ordered 5 things and within 48 hours they all arrived. So here they are. I'll just show you. Cool boxes. Might just prop those open and we'll have a look what's inside. So hold on while I get the cutters. Right, so rather than opening up these boxes and then the next boxes, I thought I'd take it all out off camera and then just show you what I bought. So I bought 5 things, all to do with the camera stuff and lighting. So let's see, can you guess what this one is? Small clue. Logo, maybe? Yeah, it's the Amaran F7 light. I'll just rip this open to get it out. And I'll do unboxing videos on all of these, but that's the light. And the next one is, let's go with this one. Can you see what this one would be? It's a round sort of shape. Any clues? Any more clues? It's a 5-in-1 something. I hope I didn't rip that. No, I did not. Let's see. All right. Guessing now, I bet you. All right, it's a reflector, 5-in-1 reflector. So I've gone with this, I don't know how you pronounce this, Niwa, I don't know, this brand for a couple of things. So we'll open that up in a sec. Actually, I'll just give you a little peek now, if I can find, I'm fiddling with this, but yeah, there's a 5-in-1 sort of, collapsible, whatever you call it, reflector. This big thing here, who can guess what this is? Deceiving L shape. What do you think? Oh my gosh. This, by the way, is a really cool little cutter. I'll like to get out of the screen for you to see it. Got autofocus turned on. Oh, come on, camera. It's not liking it. Anyway, this little cutter is like a safety sort of cutter, so you don't cut yourself. You know, you can touch that and it doesn't cut, but it cuts quite well through plastic and cardboard. Maybe I'll take these bags off and come back. Oh my gosh, this was not a good idea. Okay, back in 2. All right, I'm back again, managed to get it out. So here is the L shape. It was actually 2 things. So this is like a light stand and this is the holder for the reflector which goes on top. I'll do unboxings of these really soon. And who can guess what this is? Still to do with the lights. A bit of a harder one to guess. And here it is. Oh. There we go. It is another lighting product. Like I said, this one is like a umbrella that you push the light into to get a bit of, diffused light, whatever. So yeah, I'm going to experiment with a few things. And last one, this is also to do with this setup. It's a little clip that allows you to put the umbrella as well as the light onto one fixture. So that's that one. I won't open it because we'll save it for the unboxing. But yeah, that's it. So all I wanted to do was just let you know about Amazon Prime. It's something I stumbled on by accident, and you hear these words and sometimes you don't look into it, but it seems to be quite a good service. And I think I might continue to use it after the free trial. Just looks to be quite good value. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Hope this one was helpful and have a great day. Bye.